Hello, I'm David Meredith, Director of the Irish Board of Speech and Drama. The purpose of this video is to show you how to fill out your exam timetable. Fill in your name, the name of your school, and the date of your exam. This is where you will fill out the time for each candidate's exam. Type in the start time, the name of the first candidate, and use the drop-downs to select the exam type and level. Leave the mark column blank, that's for your examiner. Choose the Time Guidelines tab at the bottom to help you estimate the duration of each exam. Then move on to the next candidate. You may order the exams in any way you wish to suit your own preferences, to facilitate parents, and so on. Please don't forget to schedule some coffee breaks for the examiner and time for lunch. If you have any additional information for your examiner, you can type it here. You can fit about 50 names on each page. When you've completed one, just click on the tab to the right for the next page. All the information you put on the timetable is transferred to us automatically, so there's no send button to press. If you need to make any changes to the timetable, you can revisit it through the link in the original email. If you want to add names, it's best to add them at the bottom of the timetable. If you have any queries or need any help filling out your exam timetable, please don't hesitate to contact us.